Alright, we're gonna do the front end. Front end on the crusty chrome silver bullet Triumph rigid bitchin' frame. Alright, so we got the rear strap down. We're gonna be adding some weight right here. So we're going big bearings. Up in there. Bearings. You gotta sort out all your other stuff. So here's the tip. A little quick clamp. Holes. Hands free. Gives you time. Small bearings go up top. Can't ever have too much grease. Right, YouTube? Whew, she's slick. Should have used gloves. Should have used gloves. You don't want no fucking speed wobbles. Going top speed of 45 on some country roads, man. You know, fuck. It cause some trouble. Oh yeah. Look at that. Steering stoppies doing their thing, crusting and chroming. We're gonna slap these bad boys on just as placeholders so we don't stick stanchions up in there. We will at least turn down the tips so there's no part number on here or something if we even use them in stainless so they can polish up a little bit. Gotta keep it nice. Down the street, two somewhat shiny fork covers right ahead of you. Oh, that's what we all want to see. That's what I want to see. And they line up nice. So, go. Yeah. We're in. Boom. Step 1. Looper. Step 2. This nut is not even the correct thread pitch, but it does it. Sometimes it's all you need. Something that will do the trick. We got, boom. Where are you? Where are you? Boom. Here we go. Vice grip. Garage, what up? Vice grip garage. If you don't watch that guy, you don't watch YouTube. Screw around. Look at that. I don't think I'm hitting any threads. Whew. Just like that. Alright. So I'm gonna loosen this up. I'll do that to this one too, because I might have forgotten to loosen it. Gave it some love. Oh yeah. Alright. So tighten this tops up. Alright, we got this set up. Little trick tip up front. We get that wheel up in here. Got that fender stay out of the way. And let's get to it. Boom. It's a good starting point. Always a good starting point. For me. All right. Snug. I'm gonna get this baby up on there. See what kind of spacers we need to make, and low engine. Chopper.